Hello, and welcome back to the next video in the Magnet Construct app instructional video series. In this video, we will calibrate the instrument to the job using reference points. Ensure you have placed your LN100 at a location where both reference points are visible and within 300 feet from your setup. Verify you are connected to your LN100 and your job file is uploaded. Next, we will want to adjust the instrument settings. Press Configure, Instrument, and verify your prism listed matches the prism mounted on your survey rod. Tap the LN100 icon to adjust your instrument settings. Verify your settings are correct and enter the height of your survey rod. Back on the main screen, select Setup Instrument. Next, select Reference Points. Now create a new point name or number from where the instrument is located. Enter the height of the instrument, which is the measurement from the laser point on the ground surface to the mark located on the side of the LN100. Press Next. Select the map icon and zoom into the map to select your first reference point. Once the point is selected, move toward that point. Next, you will need to steer the LN100 towards your prism. Tap the LN100 icon to move the dial to align in the direction of the prism. Next, go back and select the yellow prism button to search for the prism. Once the prism is found, you will receive horizontal distance and vertical distance values, along with the green check mark. Press the green check mark to continue storing your first reference point. Zoom in and locate another reference point on your map. Once you have located another reference point, press the yellow prism icon to search for your prism. Steer your LN100 towards your prism if needed. Once the prism is found and you receive horizontal and vertical values, press the green check mark to continue. View your results screen for accuracy of your job calibration. Once you are satisfied with the results, press the green check mark to continue. You are now ready for layout or as-built, which is the next video of this series.